round 3, I was taking a picture of the lure. He goes, "What are you doing?" I'm just taking a picture of the lure for my Facebook account. It's an interesting one. So, round 3 here. It's like, calm down. I'm just taking a picture of it. I think it was interesting. The red one I saw you in the last video. So, round 3, you can see I only have 2 rod and reels, one for the small stuff and one for the big one. I love fishing. Just had more time for it. I want to try to get out more this year. You can see. All kinds of fun stuff, huh? Wilderness canoe trips. Oh yeah, this looks like this fun. Hey guys. So you have the whole thing you get on the canoe trips. You go by your.
You arrive with your toothbrush and your fishing rod, and we'll take care of everything else.
All right, that's fun. What's the average? I mean, how long is it usually?
We start at 4 days, 3 nights. From there, we'll go out as long as you want to go.
Okay.
Average trip is 6, 7, or 8 days for most people.
And what's the average price for that? What's the average price for the trip?
It depends what you're doing.
Okay.
If all you need is a canoe, it's going to cost $250.
Okay.
If we supply everything, all your food and equipment for a week, you're going to be looking $1,100 to $1,500 per person.
That's cheap.
Depending on what.
That's cheap.
Well, we try to be fair.
Oh no, it's fine. You got to make a living. I get it. Thank you very much.
Fair to me, it's a pretty good deal.
Wilderness canoe trips, you guys. All right, perfect. All right, thanks. So anyways, yeah, you guys, that's kind of cool. Broadway Lodge. Wilmer Lake area.
We no longer can do that, you know.
I'm originally from Canada.
Oh, you gotta have Canada. You gotta have this. How's it going?
Good, you?
It's good. You got the old flags, huh?
Oh, yeah. Flags, flagpoles, lights, Christmas tree lights.
Good. Nothing wrong with Christmas. I see. All right. Oh, yeah. I like that, man. More the merrier, right?
More the merrier.
Got the Steelers in there. My Cowboys in there somewhere.
Yeah,
All right. It's okay. I trust you.
they're in here somewhere.
All right. No problem. My buddy's Jets are in there. He'll be happy to see that. There they are, ladies and gentlemen, right next to this Pittsburgh Pansies. Right next to the Pittsburgh Pansies. All right. Thank you. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Now we get into weapons for you guys. There you go. Ducks Unlimited. Some dogs over there. Whew.
There's 10 cabins. 6 of them are right on the lake. The others are
Starlight
across
Bay.
the street.
You know. Love the old Rapless. I like that. Yeah. Put your thing in there and then enter to win. But they'll send you a mailing address. Capellas. Here's this looks kind of nice. This bad boy.
Yes.
Nice. This is up for the cabin right here. Look at that bad boy. Yeah. Right here, play a little poker or whatever you want to play here. That's a nice table. 4 models for sale. Nice. I thought, wow, that's cool. Look at that bad boy. That is nice. Oh my goodness. Nice. I like that a lot. That's cool. Very, very cool. Take a picture with my camera here while I'm standing here. Nice. Take a picture of this while I'm here too as well. Take a picture of the bed, shall we? Nice. Over here. This stuff right here. These things are really nice. These things, I've seen these before. They demonstrate all the time.
Here's this back.
Very nice. Nice.
Okay, if you just hit that, the receipt's going to go right.
Huh. I like that. That's nice. This is nice too as well. Very, very nice. I like that. Not cheap. I think that's $475. The whole table. The whole table. There it is. 7-piece set. 3,500. Nice. Oh goodness. The Wilderness Connection. This is the Ducks Unlimited. Good friend of mine, part of that. That's a one hell of a nice knife connection.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness. That's kind of nice. Look at that bad boy. Very nice. How's it going, guys? I got something just like this. I was at the show over there, the RV show, just like that one. Nice.
Glasses up for you.
Good, thanks.
Crispin, nice to meet you.
How's it going?
Oh, living the dream, man.
Nice. So what's this you guys clean?
Anti-fog for glasses, goggles,
Oh, okay.
windshields, visors, everything.
All right.
Need any?
No, not right now.
Sounds good.
All right.
Let me know if you change your mind.
You betcha. So I'm gonna get into here. Cookie. Cookie time. Thank you.
Call us soon.
There it is. Nice. So where's that? Wisconsin?
Just past the cross.
Mm.
Just past the cross.
Okay. I want to catch that fish right there.
You want that one exactly?
Mm-hmm. I'm not going.
We got more than bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We threw him back too, so he's
Did you?
bigger.
We found a honey hole this.
I'm the same way. I live on a lake. I have a cabin South Shore Lake. I keep sunnies, but I caught like a 10-pound northern in my lake. I throw it back. I'm too lazy to clean them. Unless you want to do it for me.
I'm not a big pike fisherman, but we went out this spring on ISO.
Mm-hmm.
We went into this new lake that is like a trout lake,
Mm-hmm.
but I knew there's big pike in there too. In an hour, she was with us. We caught 20
Really?
like that, a little bit smaller, like that, and bigger. We got pictures somewhere.
That's funny catch a fish like that.
They were all in spawning. And there's one that I caught one about 42, and it made the one look small because
Huh.
these were the double headers.
How long did it take to reel them in? What size?
5 minutes.
What size line do you use? What like?
Well, that's the thing. We were having break-offs because we were trout fishing, but only using like 10-pound tests.
One day I had a 20-pound test. I was at Lake Calhoun, and I had a brand new Rapala, and the muskie hit it, and he goes, "Oh, you almost hit it again," and I had to chase it around, and he broke my line. I said, "I'm not mad about the fish. It's the lure that pissed me off. That pissed me off.
They're like 20.
There's
Was it
one
about the
pike
fish?"
there that day, he's got 4 or 5
Right.
lures. He doesn't make a Christmas tree with them all hanging
Yeah.
out.
Thanks. Mm-hmm. Fishing gear. I see. Mm-hmm. Good cookie. Mm-hmm. More fishing lures. Get over here. Miller, Paps. I love the hams, old school. I love it. Out of St. Paul.
Shut down.
Covers more stuff. Glacier Lake. Penhor. Anyways, go over here. Look at that.
How's it going?
I'll take a very mild one, just a mild.
Mild?
Yeah,
Perfect. Do you want to try a mild dip too, with sour cream and mayonnaise?
yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Especially when you mix them together. It's
Oh,
nice.
here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
There you go.
Here we go. Go over here. So if we puke, we don't puke all over her. Go.
Have you tried it before? JD sells
You guys have been to State Fair someplace, haven't you?
We have, yep.
Never forget a pretty face.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, it's delicious stuff. It's so easy too.
Mm-hmm. JD's salsa.
Yep.
My wife bought some last time.
Oh, good.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. We'll talk to you guys all later, all right?